Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to adjust time on this Casio G-Shock watch. First you need to go to your regular time mode. If you want to change mode, just press mode button. You have few modes. This is regular time mode. This is stopwatch mode. This is record mode, timer mode, double time mode, alarm mode, and regular time mode. Just press and hold this button, display button. Now we are entering time settings mode. First you can adjust seconds with this button. Go next with mode button. This is hours. Go next. This is minutes. Go next. This is 12 or 24-hour format. Go next. This is year. Go next. This is month. Go next. This is day. Go next. This is sound. You can turn off, turn on. This is airplane mode. Go next. This is light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Go next. That is it. Just press display button. This is daily target, step daily target. And just go with this button. Press few times. Now we will set the hands. If you have correct and same time on your digital and analog watch, you don't need to do anything. If you have different time on your hands and your digital time, you must set the hands. If you don't have same time on your hands and your digital time, you must synchronize watch. Just press and hold display button. Hold. Now we are entering hand settings mode. Just wait. Just set hands to 12 o'clock. Like this. Set hand to 12 o'clock and press display button and your watch will synchronize. Now we have same time on your display and hands. Guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments.